Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to illustrate how the flex wrap property works. What is the flex wrap property? The flex wrap property basically specifies that the flex items should wrap if necessary. To save some time, I've made some changes to the index.html file from the previous video. I've modified the title on line number 11. I've also modified the heading tag on line number 14. I have added some more div elements from line number 21 to line number 29. So I've added more items to the flex container so I can better illustrate how the flex wrap property works. I've also made some changes in the CSS file here. Under the property on line number 3 here, I have added the flex-wrap property and I've given it a value of wrap, which means that the flex items will wrap if necessary. For example, if you resize the browser window, the items will wrap in the container. I have also commented out the padding property on line number 10. So these are the 12 flex items in the flex container. So to illustrate how the flex wrap property works, I'm going to resize the browser window. As I resize, the flex item will wrap. So I'm resizing. As I do that, you can see the items are wrapping. This is how far I can resize the browser window. And as you can see, the items have all wrapped inside the container. If you don't want the flex items to wrap, there is a value for that in the flex wrap property, and the value is no wrap. So on line number 3 here, I've changed the value for the flex wrap property to no wrap, which means that the flex item will not wrap even if you resize the browser window. So I'm just going to save this file and then let's take a look at the container. So these are the flex items. I'm going to try and resize the browser window. I do not expect the items to wrap because I have specified they do not do so. So as you can see here, the items are all squashed together and the wrapping has not occurred because I specified I do not want any wrapping. You can also specify that the flex items should wrap in a reverse order. So on line number 3 here, I've changed the value for the flex wrap property to wrap-reverse, which means that the items will wrap if necessary, but in a reverse order. So this is the flex item. As you can see, the flex items are in reverse order. So I'm going to try and resize the browser window. As I resize, the items are wrapping, but they have wrapped in a reverse order. In this video, I showed you how the flex box wrap property works. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.